It's time to brush away the bacteria bugs. With the Bluetooth-connected Philips Sonicare for Kids and the specially designed app, your child will brush away all the bacteria bugs in Sparkly's mouth and learn to become a better brusher over time. 98% of parents surveyed say it's easier to get their kids to brush longer and better with Philips Sonicare for Kids and the coaching app. Are you ready to play? Let's find out how the app works. Are you a first-time user? Create a profile. Then it's time to adopt a Sparkly. The Sparkly will give you the first gift, a Philips Sonicare for Kids toothbrush to help to take care of your Sparkly's mouth and teeth. It will thank you with presents. The more you help it, the more your Sparkly will learn and evolve. Grab your Philips Sonicare for Kids. The app will automatically identify the toothbrush. Tap the Start Brushing button from the Sparkly's Play Space to start the brushing experience. Short and funny tutorial videos developed with dentists show how to brush better with a Philips Sonicare for Kids toothbrush. In the Get Ready screen, you can pick what flavor of toothpaste you want to brush your Sparkly's teeth with. Now you're ready to start the brushing session. Press the power on-off button on the Philips Sonicare for Kids handle. You will be guided to brush all 4 quadrants of the mouth. Eventually, when the brushing routine is finished and all bacteria are battled, it's time to get rewarded for the great job you have done. In the dashboard, the kids can track all of their achievements, and there's also a separate dashboard for parents to monitor progress and set up custom milestones and rewards. Innovation and you, Philips Sonicare.